and the amount of the energy liberating at that particular time. That temperature, which is not, that is not, the body cannot resist even after we are wearing any suits, resistive suits and all. That is the main margin, and at that particular time, all the fuels, irrespective of what it is made of, it starts paralyzing. Auto-ignition temperature exceeds that temperature basically. It's superheated conditions, and it's a matter of amount of oxygen availability. It is burst into a fire. That is the point when it is burst of fire. That is instantaneous happening of.
So how do you measure it? How do you measure it?
It is basically experimented. They have measures. What is depending on the temperature and the amount. What they did, they have just burned out anything like wood and something object in a confined room, and they have measured the energy and the temperature, and they have just see what is the action they are having. This is what experimentally they have researchers have done.
So fire was simulated. So in experimental conditions, fire was simulated and then measured in laboratory conditions.
Laboratory condition where they have measured the values, and they have
Who is
seen
the researcher?
These are the researchers. These are the Essential 2005, Dr. Hirsch 2003, Econ 1975, 1993, and this is also a survey.
What is the typical range of threshold temperature for different types of fire?
Temperature is 600 degrees centigrade. They have given sir.
Above
600 degrees centigrade, and energy differs. Energy rate of energy differs. That depending on the type of object you are having.
And you have classified fires as A, B, C, and D. Is it the same classification which is used in the fire extinguishers?
No sir, extinguisher is different. It depends on the type of.
Classified as A, B, C, D.
It is somewhat indirectly it is matched. It is depend on the fuel, type of fuel. The extinguisher again depends upon the type of fire, the chemical. If for example, if it kerosene or part3 kerosene, they will use a different type of chemical extinguisher.
So it is directly related with the fire extinguisher. And you have mentioned that in this slide that the attendance time is 30 to 35 minutes for Kanpur, and it is only 8 minutes for London. So how can you reduce it to 8 minutes for Kanpur?
So by increasing the number of fire stations,
Increasing the number of
fire stations,
reducing the distance.
Reducing distance.
They have not taken into account the road congestion.
Road condition I have taken into account, the traffic condition, speed I have measured over the period, what the speed they are vehicle
40 km/h speed in Kanpur conditions.
That is on different scenarios, 30 to 40 days.
30 to 40
30 to 40.
possible.
But what I have measured from from fire stations, they have given all the data. This is not myself. They have given the data. That is 30 to 39 on that time. I have given.
The speed in Rawatpur is much less.
That's what.
So what is the implication? Number of fire stations required will be even higher?
Even higher if the speed is slower, because distance will reduce.
Any questions from the audience? Okay, thank you.